Hello, so today I'll show you one of my projects that I was thinking about before, and I just started to develop this. It's not such a big project, but since I'm getting interested in programming, I thought that it was a fun way to maybe use some of the Python libraries and basically to give me a challenge to do so and to see the like different methods of using data and able to program that. So um I have a ticket printer for an event, you could say, like concert or for a university, and my thought process for that was that um we will ask for the input. Basically, we will be asking them for their name and their student ID. Now, student ID is already unique to each person, but I thought that I would maybe go a step further. So, I decided to use the name and the student ID together to create basically a unique ID using HashLib library. So I've imported two libraries, QR code and the HashLib. Now, um, QR code was interesting for me. Like, I wanted to use something extra that maybe it just like sound cool to me for to be able to just scan the QR code and it shows that whether you are valid or not valid. Basically, my thought process was that maybe we could use a database to show the name and the unique ID and the status for valid or invalid. So if the student has paid to for the event, I will set it to valid, and when he goes to the event, there's gonna be you could say like a checkpoint or basically for the person to scan the QR code to allow them entry. So I generate the QR code, we send the QR code to them, and then we could scan the QR code and it shows that valid or invalid. If it's valid, we grant them entry. If not, they can go back, and the QR code can only be scanned once. I haven't implemented that right now in my code, but that was my thought process. So um, we have created functions for the ticket printer. The code is really simple. It's not that advanced or something. Maybe I'll make some changes next time as we progress. I will add more features to it, but it just sounded like a cool project to me, and I'm gonna show you how it works right now. So um, enter you've clicked it asks for a name. If you enter a name, my name is Mustafa. I add that, and I have my student ID. What's my student ID? 55567. Okay, so now you can see that it has created a one file for the text, and it has my unique ID inside it, like E45B, and it has created a QR code for me. Now, um, now I want to basically not generate text file. I want my program to send this unique ID, the hash one, inside a database along with the name and the student ID, and basically, and then maybe I don't know for the QR code how I'm gonna be able to save that to each person, but that's for my future projects. And then I can scan this QR code by some means, and basically I thought that I could use my phone to scan this, but now I'm thinking like I don't know how to be able to do that. But I'm sure I'm going to be able to find a way to do this, to basically just scan the QR code from my phone. And that's just my project. I did this for fun, and it serves the purpose in real life. Maybe if I'm able to implement to use this, but there's something that's interesting to me. So if you are watching, if any of you watches this, you can share your comments or anything that you want to add or what you think basically about this. I'm a computer science student. I just got started, so I'm looking for any advice or something.